Here's how to fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the warning quickly and get your account working again so you can continue using the platform without interruptions. This message usually appears when the system notices behavior that looks different from normal use. It can happen if you log in from a new device, switch locations, use a public network, or send too many requests in a short time. The platform treats this as a safety check to protect your account. Start by signing out of ElevenLabs and signing back in. This refreshes your session and often clears temporary alerts. Make sure you use the same device and network you normally use. Avoid switching between multiple browsers or devices while fixing the issue. Next, check your internet connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off and reconnect normally. Security systems often flag these connections because they hide your real location. After disabling them, reload the site and try logging in again. If the warning continues, verify your account. Look for any prompts asking you to confirm your email or complete a quick security step. Completing this proves that the activity is coming from you and not someone else. Clearing your browser data can also help. Remove stored cookies and cached files, then open the site again and log in. This resets saved sessions that may be triggering the alert. Another important step is slowing down your activity. Avoid repeated logins, rapid requests, or switching accounts quickly. Give the system time to recognize normal behavior again. If none of these steps work, contact support through the platform and explain the situation. Provide account email and describe the warning that appeared. This helps them review and restore access if needed. Fixing the unusual activity message is mainly about confirming your identity, using a stable connection, clearing old session data, and avoiding rapid actions. Once the system sees consistent activity again, the alert usually disappears and you can continue using the platform normally.